So for the start of this new project, I would like you to click on New, change it to an architectural template. Okay. We're going to immediately go down to one of your elevations over here on the left. If you don't have the properties toolbar or the project browser, if at any time either of these gets deleted, all you have to do is go to the view toolbar up here, click on user interface, the very last one here, and just check mark project browser or properties, and that will pop them back up. Okay. So we're going to start by going down to one of your elevations. I usually go to the south elevation just out of habit. I double click on it. I want you to zoom in here, and we're going to rename these to start. So level 1 is going to be finished floor. And yes. And level 2 is going to be top of wall. Yes, and we're going to change the top of the wall to 8 feet. Okay, so notice that wall drops, or that line drops down. This is where our floor plan is going to be located. This is going to be the top of the wall if we're looking square at the wall. Okay, so then in our project browser, we're going to go back to floor plans. Make sure you don't choose ceiling plan, but make sure you go to floor plans and just double click on finished floor. That takes us to our flooring, or our area where we're going to draw our exterior wall. And you're going to start by going up to the architecture tab, go to wall, and then choose the wall. Now your exterior wall, you're going to use an 8-inch generic wall. And this one right here is going to be your exterior wall. For all of your interior walls, I would like you to use the 4 7/8 interior wall for all the inside walls. Okay, so when you draw this building, and I said in the instructions that the shape of it is totally up to you. You can create whatever shape you would like. However, the total length and the total width let me see something here. So the total length and the total width, that would be, let's see, 38 plus 10 is 48. The total length of this cannot exceed 55 feet, and the total width cannot exceed 55 feet. It says that in the I think it's 55 feet. I should probably check that. Let's see here. Should not, yes, 55 feet by 55 feet. So yeah, so this and this cannot exceed 55 feet. Okay, so your exterior wall, and like I said, the shape is going to be whatever you choose, and then you'll go to your interior walls to create, whoops, wall, interior. Everything interior is going to be with a smaller wall. Now notice when you connect it, it may need to be, you may need to slide it over. And a lot of times it's easier just to use your keyboard on your mouse. I mean, the keyboard on your, the arrows on your keyboard to slide it over. Still didn't look like it was perfect, did it? There we go. So if you can't align it correctly with your mouse, then just click on it and use your arrow keys on your keyboard. Zoom in nice and close, and you can move it with your keyboard. Okay, so the shape is up to you, and that's how you get started. Oops. that's how you get started using the Revit program. Okay, hopefully that was helpful.